wonderful. Can we hear it out, especially for those two gentlemen there, please? Taking this further, can I invite Mr. N.P. Krishnan, Director, Console Neowatt Power Solutions Private Limited, Chennai, on the stage to address the gathering, please. Sir, please.
UPS Day. I think should be louder, yeah? Happy UPS Day. UPS and solar, I think that's why you're all low. Huh? Hey, UPS and solar day. Yeah. So, okay, firstly, of course, regarding this, UPS and solar day celebration, I think hats off to Dr. Sai, because I've been coming here, I think last so many years on and off. I think what is remarkable is the dedication and the great interest that Dr. Sai takes in putting this whole thing together, meeting everybody personally, reminding them, and the great dedication and sincerity of Dr. Sai. Once again, I'm sure everybody has appreciated it, but I can do it once more in really congratulating him on this effort and initiative. So it's very nice. I think at least once in a year we all meet as friends and not as competitors. It's very nice. And well, as far as the industry is concerned, yes, I think today we are kind of on the crossroads. There's kind of consolidation happening, and I'm sure India is looking forward to the next phase of growth in the business, economy and industry. I'm sure we have seen the worst in the last few years, and then with the new government and stable government, all of us are going to really benefit out of this. And yes, there's one more thing that we should all be aware of and work towards is this Made in India initiative or Make in India initiative by Modi ji. So I think it's time for us to focus on the UPS and power products which will be made here and will work in India. And I think many of us should look forward to making and exporting, right, rather than importing it from China. And if you look at it, the smaller capacities where we have high volume sale, we have a tough competition from China. But I think when it comes to higher capacities, I think we are far better off manufacturing here. So anyway, no shop talk right now, and I think let's enjoy the rest of the evening. And once again, congratulations to Sai for reaching the 10th year. Next year will be the 10th year. We'll celebrate 25 years of soft disk and 10th year of the UPS and Solar Day celebrations. So I think the sun is shining bright for all of us in the next few years, and let us all make money and not cut each other's throats and bring down the prices. And we have actually the UPS market is a seller's market because there is so much of demand. But I think what we are doing is we are making it a buyer's market by giving everything, saying yes to everything the customer asks for. Okay. So with that, thank you very much for inviting me on the stage. Good evening.
Thank you, Mr. Krishnan.